I would not describe or go to that extent. After all, India is an important country, has been or will in years to come will remain a strategic partner of the United States of America. So I do not have any illusions, frankly speaking. Though India is facing some setbacks at the moment, but at the end of the day, India and US, they have interests which converge, and you will see maybe post-Trump era may bring about something more positive for the US. But under the Trump administration, India has not been able to play its cards well, in my view, and that's why they lost that the momentum which was generated with Prime Minister Modi's 13th February, I think, visit last year, visit to the White House. So they were not able to maintain that momentum. So Pakistan, after the war in May last year, Pakistan was smart enough to create a good space for itself. So, but at the end of the day, I do not have any illusions about Pakistan-US long-term strategic partnership. I'm not seeing that because we are natural strategic partners of China, and that I think is that partnership will continue in the years to come.